Morning traders, it's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signals sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday morning, time to track down what's going on with the major currency pairs and their significant levels. Quick recap about the economic calendar. We got very interesting price action of New Zealand dollar because of the interest rate decision last night. 2 a.m. GMT, Wednesday. New Zealand cut the interest rate with 0.5%, half a percent from 1.5 to 1%, and this definitely brings us very big volatility on the New Zealand dollar. So what is happening? We're expecting crude oil today, crude oil inventories, 2:30 p.m. GMT in US, of course, and Thursday GDP in Japan. It's gonna affect the Japanese yen, and Friday not a lot of economical events. Employment change 12:30 in Canada, very important for Canadian and also for the crude oil. Manufacturing production in UK 8:30 in the morning, and so PPI in US 12:30. These are the most important events this week to the end of the week. So let's take a look quickly what's going on with the technical perspective on the market and to see what we could do about it. Right now we see in front of us as usual Euro US dollar. We start always with Euro US dollar 1.12 round number, the current price of the Euro US dollar. Broke out, the recovery that we've been expected happened finally. Last couple of days Euro is recovering with 170 pips, which is quite significant, especially 2 days ago 130 pips upside momentum. That's why I don't trade Euro. You know me very well. Euro is definitely not very clear. It can reverse, it can go everywhere. They're really unpredictable. GBP US, slight recovery to the upside after the big drop. I'm expecting much bigger than this recovery. This is nothing compared to 100 pips, nothing compared to 300 pips drop. So we definitely can see continuation to the upside of the GBP, completely bearish, completely downtrend, and I'm gonna looking for sell opportunities. For now, GBP, just I'm gonna stay aside to see when exactly it's gonna continue falling down. And GBP is very potential, the chart is clear enough. It's a matter of time to see the recovery, and after that spot good short opportunities. Australian US drop down, quietly expected of course, after the interest rate in New Zealand. Australian dollar just followed the New Zealand 100 pips drop. Exactly the same situation. Most of the majors we've been expecting recoveries very soon, simply because of the drops. Very strong breakout of the support. A couple of days later 140 pips down. Very interesting. We are staying right on a very big round number, 0.67, actually a level that I'm gonna put my support level. Round number 0.67, this is my new support. So Australian dollar is pretty interesting also, but New Zealand, this is definitely this is the big deal. To see such a big cut of the interest rates in New Zealand and in every country is actually very rare occasion, and this is the simply the result. New Zealand US went down during the day with more than 180 pips, big drop. This is quite significant. Just didn't manage even to try to test the support line. 0.6491 around the round number, 0.65, and simply went through the support level and just continue about 120 pips to the downside. Now quite normal, absolutely normal price action to see slight recovery. I'm not gonna be surprised if it continues goes down, but be careful with the shorts, because this move already happened, and after such a big drop it's kindly expected to see recovery to the upside. Definitely 0.65 is my resistance level. I'm gonna put a new support level, 0.64 as round numbers, as we don't have previously tested this level. So just I'm gonna take into consideration 0.64 round number as support level. I'm waiting for recovery like the GBP and Australian, then I'm gonna start looking for short opportunities. Whoever took this opportunity on 0.65 as a breakout trade, very good job guys, it was just a brilliant trade. USD Canadian, quickly going to crude oil to see what's happening. Very big drop to $2 per barrel drop of the crude oil and staying right now of the support level. So for this specifically, I'm gonna put a new support level, 53.28. I'm not gonna rely on the recent lows in this case, simply because this is a new support, was created yesterday, and I'm gonna keep my resistance and my next resistance 56, since it's a round number, and I'm simply gonna delete all of the rest levels as we are far away from it, and just no point to keep them on the chart. Make the simplicity is key, you know that very well. Make the chart clean as much as you can. USD Canadian, crude oil is going down, USD CAD going up. Quite normal price action breakout. We discussed the breakout of 1.3239, the resistance level, something that actually happened, and right now we see 75 pips upside momentum. Exactly the same case like the rest of the majors. Slight recovery, it's absolutely possible. Any moment can see the majors are reversing, but definitely not changing the trend, but recovering from this strong price action. USD Swiss, what is going on? Drop, tested the new support to 0.9717 and bouncing back to the upside in order to test the round number and strong significant level, 0.98 round number and resistance. So this is the level that you have to looking for to take your short positions. Otherwise, if we see breakout, we simply can see again testing 0.99. Very interesting price action on USD Swiss franc, since the Swiss quite obviously is very well testing, and very clearly of course testing the round numbers. So USD Swiss could be a good opportunity. Let's see what's gonna happen once it reaches the round number 0.98. USD Japanese, very strong recovery after the big drop for the last couple of days. Very quick drop, quick recovery, 106.74, and tested immediately after that 107 round number and decided to go down. I'm gonna go on 4-hour chart to see what is happening. So simply you see here, after it tests the round number and strong sell-off of the USD Japanese, and after that slight bounce back and continuation to the downside. Short opportunities definitely are highly potential in USD Japanese. The question is when exactly, but definitely I'm remaining bearish on the USD Japanese yen. Very interesting and incredibly clear chart. I'm gonna delete 107.84 in order to make my chart simple, 108.71 and 109.13. I'm gonna keep just these two, as they're, first of all, the resistance zone here was quite clear. We put this resistance zone on Monday if I'm not wrong, so this is definitely very important resistance zone to be of course looking for. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I really hope you are having a profitable week. Of course you enjoy the week. It's Wednesday, middle of the week, very interesting and very profitable week we're gonna have probably to the end of the week. Enjoy the day, of course. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like the video. Thumbs up. Thank you very much for the support. So share us, like us on the social media, and of course if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Enjoy the week, have fun.